Hello guys, if you want to know how to group elements or layers in Affinity Designer, you've come to the right place. My name is Nick and today I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, let's open up Affinity Designer, and now you can see that I have an empty project created. And now let's add two objects, for example, a square and a circle. Just select it and add it to our workspace. Okay, and for example, I want to group these two objects. Okay, and now with the Shift key pressed, you should select with the left mouse button the desired objects. So hold the Shift button and with the left mouse button select your objects. Okay, and now just right click on it, and in this menu you need to find group, or you also can use the Ctrl+G shortcut. So let's click on it, and on the right side you can see your group. You can rename it if you want, for example group 1, and save it. And of course you can see what objects are in the group. Just click on this arrow. So it was a short tutorial about how to group objects or layers in Affinity Designer. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course leave your questions in the comments. Thank you very much. Bye bye.